Welcome to AI Hub 247, where we explore the most revolutionary artificial intelligence tools that are changing the game forever. Today, I'm about to show you something that will absolutely blow your mind. I'm going to walk you through creating your own professional AI avatar in just minutes using HeyGen AI. And the results are so realistic that people won't believe it's not actually you speaking. Imagine being able to create unlimited video content without ever showing your face on camera, without recording hours of footage, and without worrying about lighting, makeup, or having a bad hair day. That's exactly what AI avatars can do for you. And I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process that content creators are using to generate millions of views and thousands of dollars in revenue. What makes this even more incredible is that you don't need any technical skills, expensive equipment, or previous experience with AI tools. By the end of this comprehensive tutorial, you'll have your own custom AI avatar that can speak any text you write in your own voice, with realistic facial expressions and natural body language that looks completely authentic. The AI avatar technology has reached a point where it's virtually indistinguishable from real video footage. Major brands, influencers, and content creators are already using this technology to scale their content production in ways that were impossible just a year ago. Companies are saving tens of thousands of dollars on video production costs, while individual creators are building massive audiences without ever appearing on camera themselves. But here's what most people don't realize about AI avatars. The quality of your final result depends entirely on understanding the right process, using the correct tools in the proper sequence, and knowing the insider tricks that separate amateur-looking avatars from professional-grade results that can fool anyone. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. The first crucial step in creating your AI avatar is generating the perfect reference image. And this is where most people make critical mistakes that ruin their final results. You need an image that meets very specific technical requirements for lighting, angle, resolution, and composition. Getting this wrong means your avatar will look unnatural, robotic, or obviously fake. Here's where ChatGPT becomes your secret weapon for creating the perfect avatar image. Most people don't know that ChatGPT can generate incredibly detailed, photorealistic images that are specifically optimized for AI avatar creation. The key is using the right prompts that specify exactly what you need for maximum compatibility with HeyGen's AI processing algorithms. When you open ChatGPT, you want to use a prompt structure that generates images with proper lighting, neutral backgrounds, and facial positioning that works perfectly with avatar generation technology. The prompt should specify high resolution, professional headshot style, even lighting across the face, neutral expression, and direct eye contact with the camera. These elements are absolutely critical for creating an avatar that looks natural and professional. The lighting in your reference image makes or breaks the entire project. You need soft, even lighting that illuminates your face uniformly without harsh shadows or bright spots. Professional portrait lighting is ideal, but ChatGPT can generate images with perfect lighting conditions that would normally require expensive studio equipment and professional photography skills. The background of your reference image should be completely neutral, preferably a solid color or very subtle gradient. Busy backgrounds, patterns, or distracting elements will interfere with HeyGen's AI processing and can cause glitches or artifacts in your final avatar. ChatGPT excels at generating clean, professional backgrounds that work perfectly for this purpose. Facial expression is another critical factor that most people overlook. You want a neutral, friendly expression that's not too animated or emotional. Extreme expressions, wide smiles, or dramatic facial features can cause problems when the AI tries to animate your avatar speaking different words. A slight, natural smile with relaxed facial muscles gives you the most versatile avatar that can handle any type of content. The resolution and image quality from ChatGPT is typically excellent for avatar creation, but you want to make sure you're downloading the highest quality version available. Higher resolution images give HeyGen more detail to work with, resulting in sharper, more realistic final avatars that maintain quality even when compressed for different platforms. Once you have your perfect reference image from ChatGPT, it's time to move to HeyGen AI, which is currently the most advanced and user-friendly AI avatar creation platform available. HeyGen has been used to create viral videos with millions of views, and their technology is so sophisticated that major corporations use it for marketing campaigns and internal communications. Creating an account on HeyGen is straightforward, and they offer both free and paid plans depending on your needs. The free plan gives you enough credits to create and test your avatar, while the paid plans unlock unlimited generation, higher quality outputs, and advanced customization options that professional creators rely on. The upload process in HeyGen is designed to be simple, but there are specific best practices that will dramatically improve your results. When you upload your ChatGPT-generated image, HeyGen's AI will analyze the facial features, lighting, and composition to create a detailed 3D model that can be animated with incredible realism. The AI processing typically takes just a few minutes, but the quality of this processing determines everything about your final avatar. HeyGen's algorithms analyze thousands of facial reference points, create detailed texture maps, and build a complete 3D model that can be animated from any angle with natural-looking movements and expressions. While your avatar is being processed, you can start preparing your script and planning your first video. The beauty of AI avatars is that you can create content on any topic without worrying about your appearance, vocal delivery, or presentation skills. Your avatar will deliver your message with perfect confidence and professional polish every single time. Once your avatar is ready, you'll be amazed at how realistic and natural it looks. The facial animations are smooth and natural, the lip sync is perfectly accurate, and the overall presentation quality rivals professional video production that would normally cost thousands of dollars and require extensive time and expertise. The text-to-speech functionality in HeyGen is incredibly sophisticated, with multiple voice options that can match different styles, tones, and personalities. You can choose voices that sound authoritative for educational content, friendly and approachable for lifestyle topics, or dynamic and energetic for entertainment videos. The AI even handles punctuation, emphasis, and natural speech patterns automatically. Customization options in HeyGen allow you to fine-tune every aspect of your avatar's appearance and behavior. You can adjust facial expressions, body language, gestures, and even clothing to match your brand or content style. These customization features are what separate professional-looking avatars from generic, obviously artificial ones. The export process gives you multiple format options optimized for different platforms. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform, HeyGen provides the right resolution, aspect ratio, and quality settings for maximum impact and engagement. One of the most powerful features is the ability to create multiple avatars with different looks, styles, and personalities. This allows you to create diverse content, target different audiences, or simply have backup options when you want to change your presentation style. Many successful creators use multiple avatars strategically to build larger, more engaged audiences. The speed of content creation with AI avatars is absolutely game-changing. What used to take hours of filming, editing, and post-production can now be completed in minutes. You can create multiple videos per day, test different topics and styles quickly, and scale your content production to levels that will be impossible with traditional video creation methods. Quality control is crucial when working with AI avatars, and there are specific techniques for ensuring your final videos look professional and polished. This includes optimizing your scripts for natural speech patterns, choosing appropriate backgrounds and settings, and understanding how different types of content work best with avatar technology. The monetization potential for AI avatar content is enormous because you can create high-quality videos consistently without the usual barriers that limit most content creators. You're not limited by your appearance, speaking ability, or comfort level on camera. You can focus entirely on creating valuable content that serves your audience and builds your brand. Many creators are using AI avatars to build multiple revenue streams simultaneously. They create educational courses, promotional videos, social media content, advertising materials, and even personalized messages for clients or customers. The versatility of AI avatars makes them perfect for any type of video content you can imagine. The technology is advancing so rapidly that new features and capabilities are being added regularly. Voice cloning technology allows you to use your own voice with your avatar, making the content even more personal and authentic. Advanced gesture controls, improved facial expressions, and enhanced customization options are constantly being developed. Privacy and authenticity considerations are important when using AI avatars, especially for business or professional purposes. You want to be transparent about using AI technology while still maintaining the professional credibility that makes your content effective. Many successful creators mention their use of AI tools as a way to create more content and serve their audience better. The learning curve for mastering AI avatar creation is surprisingly short, but the difference between basic and advanced techniques can dramatically impact your results. Understanding the nuances of script writing for AI speech, optimizing visual elements, and integrating avatars into larger content strategies separate successful creators from those who struggle to gain traction. Integration with other AI tools creates powerful workflows that can automate almost every aspect of content creation. You can use ChatGPT for script writing, HeyGen for avatar creation, and other AI tools for editing, thumbnails, and distribution. This creates a complete content production system that runs almost entirely on artificial intelligence. The competitive advantage of using AI avatars is significant because most creators are still using traditional video production methods that are time-consuming, expensive, and limiting. By adopting this technology early, you position yourself ahead of the curve and can build audiences while others are still figuring out basic video creation. All the tools and resources I mentioned in this tutorial are linked in the description below, including direct links to ChatGPT for image generation, HeyGen AI for avatar creation, and additional resources for optimizing your results. I've also included my personal recommendations for the best settings, prompts, and techniques that have worked best in my testing. If this comprehensive AI avatar tutorial has opened your eyes to the incredible possibilities of artificial intelligence for content creation, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Hub 247 for more cutting-edge AI tutorials and strategies. In my next video, I'm revealing the most profitable ways to monetize AI-generated content and showing you exactly how creators are making thousands of dollars per month with these revolutionary tools.